Hello everyone, welcome to Vaishai's YouTube channel. This is an introductory video on ethics and this series is part of Vaish classes paid courses. But if response is good here on YouTube, we'll consider putting it here as well. So what you have to do is, you have to consider like, subscribe and definitely leave a comment feedback under every video we upload. If response is poor, then we will provide it only to our future paid students for regular classes. So, please like, subscribe and comment with your feedback if you like the series. So, initially I want to tell you why studying ethics is important. Before telling you why studying important is ethics, I'll tell you why ethics is introduced in UPSC. Okay, ethics is introduced in UPSC in the year 2013. It was introduced because there is a lot of corruption which is going on in the administrative field, in the society. So, ethics is one such an attempt to restore new generation of civil servants without any corruption, with moral and ethical principles which are inculcated in them. So, in order to inculcate ethical sense among the civil servants, ethics is introduced. And ethics is one of the best ground of choosing future IAS, IPS and IFS officers. Right. So, while introducing the ethics in 2013, it was kept under separate GS4. GS4 only consists of ethics and the score of ethics is 250. It has 250 marks in GS paper 4. Okay. Now I'll tell you why studying ethics is important for UPSC. Ethics paper is a rank booster paper because I told you that it is out of 250 marks and it is part of the GS4 and it is separately kept under GS4. And if you see GS1, GS2, GS3, it consists of many subjects. Under GS1 you will have world history, you will have society, you will have Indian history divided into ancient, medieval and modern history. You will have world geography, physical geography, human geography, economic geography, and you will have these many subjects in GS1, and GS2 has many other subjects, GS3 has other subjects. This whole GS1 is of 250, this whole GS2 is of 250, this whole GS3 is of 250, but ethics alone can fetch you 250 marks. It means the ethics alone will have 250 marks. So, ethics is so much important. You might have understood till now. Okay. There are 3 important sections which are very important, and the rank booster section apart from ethics. Optional is important, which is of 500 marks, and essay is important. If you are scoring good in these 3 papers, it will really decide your rank. It will decide your rank and it will decide your seat in the UPSC. Ethics has more cost and benefit ratio because it is out of 250 and it is only one subject. If you are studying this subject very well, you can get good marks in ethics paper 4. Case studies will form the core of the ethics papers. So, it will help you to showcase your governance talents in the administrative field. So, you can show the examiner that you will have the governance talents so that you need to be selected. Studying ethics will also help you to write some topics of essay. So, there are some topics in the essay paper which are related to ethical point of view. So, studying ethics will also benefit you to write some essays in the UPSC. Okay, you might ask me why you need to watch this series. Ethics is different from other subject. I can tell you that it is different in itself. And it has case studies. It is entirely different from the GS1 subjects, GS2 subjects and GS3 subjects. You need little guidance for studying ethics. Even though without guidance, if you are reading books, you can complete GS1, GS2 and GS3. But ethics is entirely new subject. You need little guidance for completing this subject. So, watching this series will really help you. Not many people know how to study this paper. So, I will teach you how to study this paper, how to approach this paper and gain good marks. So, it is relatively new concept, new topic because it is introduced in 2013. Not many sources, not many people who can teach you ethics are present in the market. Okay, that's why you will be benefited by watching this series. So, what will be this course about? is your next question, will be your next question. I will teach you the theory part of the ethics. And before watching this theory part, what you need to do is you need to look into previous year papers which are already present in the Vaishya IAS YouTube channel. So you also need to look into syllabus of ethics, which is also present in the Vaishya IAS YouTube channel. Apart from ethics also, syllabus discussion for GS1, GS2, GS3, GS4 and prelims are separately present in the YouTube channel. You can have access to them freely. These are the part of the foundation videos of Vaishya IAS YouTube channel, and the previous year papers discussion of ethics is also present, that is part of GS4. Even GS1, GS2, GS3 papers are also discussed. You can watch them. They are freely available in the YouTube channel. So what will be the theory part consists of, which I am going to teach you. So it consists of ethics and human interface. It consists of attitude, aptitude, emotional intelligence, values in civil servants, probity in governance, moral and philosophical thinkers, case studies, and also I'll be teaching you ARC report summary. This is the additional benefit which you can get through my videos. Okay, I just want to tell you that this ethics and human interface consists of many other topics, and each and every topic which I have mentioned here has many subtopics. Attitude and aptitude is a part of the psychology, human psychology part, and ethics in human interface is a part of philosophy. Values in civil servants, probity in governance is a part of public administration, and moral philosophical thinkers, India and the world, are a part of moral philosophy again. Case studies will be a part of applied ethics. So you have different fields from which the ethics is derived. That is, it is derived from philosophy, it is derived from psychology, it is derived from public administration, it is derived from moral philosophy part. It is also consists of the application part. But don't worry, if you are studying ethics, you will have an added advantage, because it will also help you to be a good individual in the society. Even though if you are from the backgrounds of public administration or the philosophy or something else also, you won't have any added advantage here, because the main essence of ethics in civil services is to apply the knowledge of philosophy, to apply the knowledge of psychology, to apply the knowledge of public administration in society and administration. Okay, we cannot have it won't test you the knowledge of the person in the ethical field. It will test you the application part, how far you are good at giving the solution to the practical problems which are occurring in the society. This is what they will test you. Okay, so you may ask me what you need to do apart from watching the series which I am going to take in the future. You need to watch the syllabus which are already present in Vaishya IAS YouTube channel. You need to analyze GS paper 4, the past year papers. Make notes out of the lectures when you are watching. Read Lexicon book on ethics. There is a book on ethics which is published by Lexicon. So you need to read this book apart from what I'm going to teach you. And what you need to do is you need to maintain a separate notes. This note should consist of the 7 topics which I have mentioned, and after for every topic leaves certain pages. In these pages, what you need to do is you need to apply or write about the everyday ethics. You need to pick up the newspaper examples, the real life situations from the newspaper which are related to ethical point of view, and note down under each subheading of these topics. And you need to revise whatever you are reading. You need to attempt test series also. So Vaishya IAS YouTube channel is also giving you the paid course of test series in which both mains and prelims are present, and ethics of mains is also present in the test series part. So you can have access to them. So these are the screenshots of the Vaishya IAS channel where I am showing you different foundational videos, GS1 and all. So you can have access to it. I want to tell you again that this is just an introductory video, and this series will be the part of Vaishya classes paid courses. But if response is good here on YouTube channel, we will consider putting it here as well. So like, subscribe, and definitely leave a comment feedback under every video we upload. If response is poor, then we will provide it only to the future paid students for regular classes. So don't miss the opportunity. You are getting the you're going to get the free videos if you are like giving the good feedback. So subscribing, liking, and commenting is a free of cost. You can do this and share with your friends who are in need of it, so that they will also get access to the videos which I'm going to upload in the future. So hope so you will be eagerly waiting for the series. Please comment in the comment box about how you are going to feel, like what is your feeling about this series. Thank you everyone.